You see me? Gracie called me and wake me out of my sleep. She tell me so she come over me here today and she don't come. I'm just get up same way. I take a little day now, about an hour. And she call me and wake me up. You see my eye them? Over Gracie me and go. Because she just go and like she always take me fifth. So she come over me here today and I know I can't see her outside. This damn Cynthia, it needs for tighten. I don't know how to do it. This Cynthia always a move. Why? Why it always a move? Me I go over Gracie. Me just wake. Gracie called me. Gracie tell me say she I go there over here today. Gracie tell me say me just wake. Me not even change. Me not even change cause a day nap me did I take. I did in my bed, I'm all a little nap. I have to fix this. Gracie tell let me turn up this. I'm not saying wrong way I'm going. What do I do? Damn it. What do I do? I'm not going to get something. I go over Gracie yard. You see how me look? I don't made me not come or put nothing on it. And Gracie called me. I wake up and go see Obi a cook, but when I say Obi make some caramel porridge for me. Some caramel porridge this morning and I had it with crackers. And I do some work at home. And then I just feel tired and go take an hour nap. Gracie called me and wake me up. You know, today is Wednesday and Gracie tell me so she'll come on me here today. She promised me from there so she'll come and I know Gracie don't show up. So I go pop up on her, she don't have a clue. So I on my way over there. So right over there I go, but I have to stop at Burger King and get a little burger. Because I realize I'm trying my twist. I don't know if Gracie could never ask her. But I just feel for a small burger. A good while now I don't eat one. I just feel for it. I mean I asked her she won on the last time I stopped at Burger King and asked her, which a few months ago, she cussed. So she don't want a dry food, a cooked food she wants. So I'm not going to ask her because she don't know so I come over there. So stay tuned. Tired? Look at my eye there, I'm not even fully awake. Just jump in a car and live. I don't even change. Look up some shots me have and see them here. So guys, I pull up at Gracie and so my package them in my car come show her them. I buy them from Dimes. So my friend Gracie wants to see what I buy from Dimes. I always buy from Dimes, but Dimes are my G, you know. So I carry them here for come show her as well. So I just pull up. So see you in a Gracie house. What you say?
Call me on WhatsApp. Oh shit! I think I'm a sister and now she never fucking call, you know.
Gracie, don't make me cuss you out.
That's why you want to cuss out this way.
Gracie, you don't know some me there your door stand up how long I press buzzer. How can I buzzer this here?
The upstairs and come out your bathroom where you set me to hear you. You can come upstairs.
So you know a camera in your house, the camera in your way over you do.
Get upstairs, the camera and get downstairs.
Open up your door.
You have to wait till me come.
So you do do?
No, dear, I wash me here, me a come.
Oh.
And then me come and do the face spread, me a come.
Alright. That when you just come at people yard and not tell them say you come at the yard, all kind of thing ain't to happen to you. When you hear Gracie you come down step like some old man. You see how me look like me a suffer?
Because you suffer. That's why. Go on, man. Go on.
I'm gonna take off my shoes.
I'm sorry, take off your shoes.
Because I don't know who are you. I used to walk up them stairs and me come down here like some granny. Kuya, why me have to climb them high steps here? Eh?
Because this step them have to go up.
Yeah, you make me drop down them step here with money tall for this here house here. Let me come fast in your place, because if your kitchen dirty,
just don't know.
Kitchen dirty, I'm just going to show you people them how your
What
kitchen.
kind of dirty kitchen? You're bright and think and face it.
Hello, if I box it.
Oh, dirty kitchen, bright.
Look.
That's what I you find dirty kitchen in our place. Your face. Come on, so we not even can style over.
Oh my God. What's Gracie? In a Gracie kitchen. I don't watch in a Gracie kitchen, oh. Gracie cook over here and call me and they home from morning. Gracie there yard from morning. And she was supposed to come on my yard. And she don't come. She don't come. She never expects me to go pop up here. So, I come here today. And let's see what I got. So, wanna see Gracie place? Wanna see Gracie place? Oh, too much door there, so I don't never see all of them door here. Where them door here go? Wanna see Gracie? Watch her. Our roommate this year. The roommate come put right, liquor come put right as to like 666. Watch there. I don't know watch there. Camera there. On TV, I'm there downstairs. I press buzzer like an idiot. In here, nice and clean. Gracie is one of the most cleanest person. I don't eat from anybody. I always shut my eye and eat food from Gracie. Because when you come in our place, when you come in our Gracie place, look, in here just spotless. So, anytime you see one woman kitchen looks so clean, always look clean, everywhere. Our bedroom and our bathroom, everywhere. Always spotless. You will shut your eye and eat from them people because you know so them prepare them food clean. So, I'm gonna have a seat. Put on my big old crocus bag and have a seat on Gracie kitchen. Let me put this right here so that they don't scratch up our table. So these I buy this package from Dimes Million on Facebook. Go over Dimes and support her guys. I'm gonna open this. I just in a Gracie kitchen. And if it garbage here. So Gracie, me want one scissors. Alright, give me one knife.
Where you cut?
One bag. Oh, me open this. Me I show you where me buy from Dimes. Hey, Dimes.
Here's some of the fish tea there for Max.
Yeah, there. So you me buy.
With pepper, you don't drink pepper.
You get thank you card. Awesome. You put the cream on your face? Let me tell you if you put. Your face look light up a little bit.
She tell me say she like the improvement.
Okay. If you tell Chad, this is a necklace I buy from Dimes. But you will secure it, you know, brother. You will wrap it up because you don't want nothing to do it. Watch that. Damn, all of them things, yeah. Look at me head, look at me and stuff.
Your head no look good, you no look good.
You know, you don't look good, but you have to take me as me is. And you see my necklace I buy from Dimes? Watch here. Stainless steel.
That no heavy.
It heavy?
How may I do that for me?
No.
No, I'm not for
Me love this. I love this. I love it, and you. If you don't love them big necklace, you just don't love it. But I love it. I love this. You don't love big necklace? You love big necklace. Not in everything, but in a certain clothes that me I wear. I like a big necklace.
You don't know if you return my property from your come from vacation.
What property?
You know, I never go in my closet more than this.
So wait there, you come from my video for tell me something borrow your thing? If you ever
You love video too much, you're rich, yo.
Me not even wear your
What that you
city.
care if you come give me?
Me not even use
What
it.
that you care if you come give me? You buy something for come give me. Go
No, me just pick it up at the mailbox.
Wow.
Just pick it up at the mailbox. I buy from Dimes.
And come on my yard and unwrap them?
You go, girl.
Why that is so?
Yeah.
For one.
teddy bear shirt from Dimes. But I need to put on a necklace. It's cute, right? Oh yeah. You caught the fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish you use?
Snapper.
There we go. That's my t-shirt fit me dimes.
What kind of fish you use and you me again?
Then the t-shirt fit me dimes. Dimes me t-
How about the crosses here?
crosses under your... Gracie, your favorite me no know officer.
One time when they can give you something.
I want to little tip of soup that you come give me.
Same like when you give me that you give me, I give your husband that little bit of soup.
Look at tip of soup you come give me husband and I come tell me about rate.
Never say rate, I say they can give you.
Make him give me some out of that. Somebody can I give somebody something and give them that for this somebody? Can I give somebody something and I give them that for this money?
I say how you have to be your friend, I never had you.
You can keep your little sweetie.
Never give you, so you can't tell me that.
I wish my nothing I also work, so. Oh, really? Okay, so let's put on my necklace with this now. Yeah, come dress up a fashion show. Me come here for watch my t-shirt, then watch my t-shirt, watch my t-shirt, then watch my t-shirt, watch my t-shirt, then watch my t-shirt. Yeah. Watch me t-shirt, dance watch me t-shirt, watch me t-shirt, dance watch me necklace, dance watch me necklace, watch me necklace, dance watch me ray, watch me t-shirt, dance watch me t-shirt, watch me t-shirt, dance watch me t-shirt, freestyle. Come Gretty, come freestyle pan dance t-shirt. Watch me t-shirt. Yeah, Dimes. Love the shirt. Love it, I love it. Big up yourself, Dan. Watch me t-shirt, Dimes, watch me t-shirt, watch me t-shirt. Freestyle, Dimes. Watch me t-shirt, Dimes, watch me t-shirt. Watch my necklace, Dimes, watch my necklace. Watch my necklace, Dimes, watch my necklace. Watch my necklace, Dimes, watch my necklace. Dimes, I love the t-shirt, them here. Them fit me nicely. Big up yourself. You're not the person who will. Gracie, Happy Night is not in the background now. May I talk to my friend, guys. May I talk to my supporter. Happy Night is not in the background, man. Sure. Me in a Gracie kitchen. And she just have go on so with the pot and the water. Come on, man. Happy Night is me I try to talk to Dimes right now. Dimes, we really love the t-shirt. I love the necklace. Yes, I love them.
So I can never go here go talk to Dimes for a t-shirt and necklace.
But I'm come over here.
Yeah, if you come tell me so you know to clean up the kitchen?
No?
Okay, so now tell me something that nice. Chat if you are chatting and tell me something that nice.
I say what I want to say, when I want to say it, I want to say it. Happy Night is on my head. I feel me house this too. You can't stop me from talk.
You're damn right about it.
Watch my t-shirt, dance. Let's come. Freestyle. Watch my t-shirt, dance, watch my t-shirt, watch my t-shirt, dance, watch my t-shirt. My t-shirt just sit down for me. Sit down for me, it just sit down for me. Sit down for me. Come on, freestyle, start.
I know my t-shirt, so me no want talk.
So, I know my t-shirt, so me can't talk. I know my t-shirt, so me can't talk. More word.
You know say I will cuss and go long bad, leave me alone.
You know say I will cuss and go long bad, leave me alone. Me a freestyle like she a cuss me.
It's crazy.
It look nice, not true? You're gonna need to buy one.
Thick man.
Thick and nice.
I don't know what size.
I think if you buy the wallet. Try and let me see. Put it on now, just put it on. Gracie, just put it on so we know which side to buy.
This is a shirt. Look there. Is it? It's
Yeah.
big. Me know where my shirt is big.
You know, we're so big, that's why me I tell you say if you buy 1X. You don't have to buy 1X, not 2X.
What about X large?
Or if you want to buy X large, you buy X large.
Yeah. Oh, my clothes are
Yeah, a X large are really weird, but you know,
No, my clothes are big.
they may fit me nice. Is it true me chopped in?
Yeah. You know, chop tea, so.
These are so cheap. The quality is nice.
Oh, I know I keep it for 3 missed call, and then when me call them, then now pick up.
So making it on. Me not going to go with you now.
I'm going to leave them. You have to return them, then go.
No, I'm not returning. So, you see how I look like me I suffer? Nah, I suffer though. You see my friend Gracie there?
Use that word then.
Yeah. Stop using for truth. I bind it up in the name of Jesus Christ. Go away. Go away, word.
You're one big idiot.
Gracie. No. So no friend Gracie, yeah? I got me yard.
Yes, I'm keeping my kitchen done.
Yes, our kitchen there. With our
I
little...
want to put up my TV and everything.
You know TV that?
Yes, yeah, I never put it up yet. I never done doing it.
And see our whole heap of sweet juice them are over here, so.
Sweet juice, just leave me alone. You see coconut water, you see cranberry water, stop tell lies.
You can buy coconut water in a thing with full of sugar.
No,
Oh, this is coconut water, yeah.
Yes.
And cold water.
You see your face?
So when we can get over here?
Nothing got your yard.
I just want a cranberry juice, that's it.
Cold one in my fridge.
Oh, good. You come over here, you're not even offering me nothing for drink. Not even not even look at something for drink. You're not offering me come at your place. Okay, so cranberry juice. I want a cranberry juice, I want a Malta.
You want too much, man.
Yeah.
You don't come at people yard and want to say things on the face.
I say your turn when you come at me yard.
You don't buy no belly.
So what kind of snack? I want a little snack. She cook her soup. Container. Fimax. Not give me none. Watch her sit down over there, so she not give me none. Last week, Sunday. So, look what she has served for me and give me a little piece of dry bun. National dry bun. Without cheese.
I want Malta, you're lying tongue. You don't get cranberry juice and Malta.
I could dry bun for buying up my body. A dry bun for buying up me behind. And that she can't give me. And cook well cooked fish soup over here. Share out in a container for give Max. And don't give me none. This is crazy. I cannot live like this. From last week Sunday, I forget the local food. And I know I can't get the local food. With Angela food there. And she did call me a while ago, you know. Yeah. She not gonna eat it. So you just cook for yourself, so?
No, I don't like pepper like that. I get the pepper get wet. I'm telling you.
I don't want none of that.
No, I never want it.
Oh.
Snap on it.
See me got in front of me, I just eat one burger.
Wow. So you say I go to send a little soup for Max?
Max over there cooking chicken back and aki.
So why you make me give my soup?
Oh, you mean
soup? Who bought my soup?
Max is chef, you know.
Who bought my soup?
I drink the Malta because I never really drink the soda, I'm just tasting it. I have to wash my tummy, man. If I get out of hand. See?
No, the wrong one over there, so.
Where?
Over there, so. Last night, I care about it. What are you yard?
I'm not coming showing in aggressive pantry.
Go into the supermarket, you come.
Yeah.
And that one was for
Pantry.
You come to supermarket?
Hello, in aggressive pantry.
You are going to the
Look.
supermarket.
Wanna see what you craving? Look there. Could I?
Because crave for have food in our house, right? Crave for
Yeah.
have food in our house.
Clear. She can buy out the supermarket. Clear. Me want 2 candy. Open this up, let me take out 2.
You know, say me not like when people come on my yard. You come, you want everything when you say me not like
Then
when
I
people
must.
come on my yard. And look how she a full her hand. You can't full your hand time somebody else come and see something and want it, want me. Now come back here, man. Now come back here. Now come back here, man. Everyone like say you alone come here. You just everything and you can't stop. Come back here, man.
eye full of sweetie. Yeah.
You come back here.
Me like them, yeah.
To come over the next year.
They're good for me throat.
Happy throat.
They're good
And
for
you
me
just
throat.
in here, so.
Me know.
Gosh. You're horrible.
They're good for me throat.
Yes, it does. I know.
Anytime buy them, I always buy the wrong one.
Yeah.
Even though I say for throat, but
I don't want them to buy more.
yeah. Sometimes my sinus drain. I'm like eat them for my sinus.
You have to come lock the door,
I mean, I go home, I know. People may I go home. People may I go home, I got me yard. Question I not over here for me. Not a damn thing. Can't hold me over here.
So you take everything already?
Yeah. Me take what me not have. Me I go Costco tomorrow.
Yeah?
Thursday. Yeah. So me buy what me want.
You have restaurant people card?
Yeah, me have restaurant the fuck out.
You
Of course.
have it on you?
Yeah. When you go to restaurant the fuck?
Stop it.
Okay.
Fish. Don't you say the box of stuff?
Get restaurant the fuck. You get restaurant the fuck, you get fish. See it here. I would remember some lady in a Gracie come
Me
we
remember.
forget.
Me remember.
And then me
Could
a
have
dig down and look.
and
Then I dig there me a dig down and look feet and forgot say. Me then you and some stay these days, me not remember sharks. Let me key. I got my key guys. Memories are come with the age. I never get one if I sleep at night time, you lose your memory. All kind of thing happen, you know. When you get one if I sleep at night time, 100% when you don't get rest. That's why people forgot in bed night make for sleep. Yeah. Gracie, me not want to slide down your stairs. I'm afraid. Because your floor is slidey. You know what you need to do? Buy the little alpha, rub them. Like when I have on my side step. And put, no, true, Gracie. I'm afraid for go down your stairs.
That's something there you will good.
I drop down my own and step one day. I'm afraid for what? And your step is way longer than mine. I'm afraid. Like you have to get a little carpet. The one them when sit down right there, so the little 3/4 one them. They have some little baby one if you put in the middle of yourself.
Well, I'm this up. That's why you drop.
Rasta German. What is your step here? In part 2 up the street.
Okay, so? You have to go past this. I check your nose to come out.
Oh, yeah. Some of them here in the truck, that's so. Bye, Grace.